IONIQ 5N ensures the optimal battery temperature for maximized track performance. This is the most advanced Hyundai N ever. N Grin Boost provides maximum power for 10 seconds. IONIQ 5N features powerful dual motors and the 4th generation battery. The reinforced chassis endures extreme track conditions and provides instant steering response. We revolutionized the regenerative braking to create 0.6 G of decelerative force. This industry-leading system creates a synergy with enhanced brakes. Left foot braking allows you to operate both pedals simultaneously. Use N eShift and N Active Sound Plus as functional feedback and find new ways to carve through the corners with N pedal.